Hey guys, what is going on tonight? So I figured, you know what? I have a lot going on in my fish tank. Why not give you guys a little update? And this is not such a recent photo, but it is sort of recent because I actually still have this fish occasionally. So, um, let's get into it. So let's make this bigger. There we go. So, a lot has been going on in my aquarium, including getting new fish food and stuff like that. And I noticed some sort of um, skinniness going on in my fish, and I guess I wasn't feeding the right food, so the fish started getting really skinny. And not no, I mean I was feeding them enough, but they weren't getting a lot of nutrients. So I switched foods. They're nice and chunky now, and I think some of them died because it wasn't feeding them nutrition, or they just got old. But the good thing is, it was most of the mollies. I think the half beak died as well, but um, it was most of the mollies that died. And actually, the good thing is, the mollies had babies, so they had essentially the same amount of babies that they that I lost. So I probably gained one or two extra babies, but they're doing great. I also created a new strain, which is awesome. So, um, but I think I did lose another guppy. I'm not sure. I haven't seen him in a while, but yeah. But anyways, cobras, they're easy to uh, breed apparently, so it's not that bad. But you know, I could always I have ways of getting cobra guppies and breeding them, so it's not horrible. But I do have some rare strains of guppies. I have a Endler that has a goldish yellow tail. But it's hybrid because it looks like the body of it's guppy, but the tail isn't an Endler, and it has an Endler dot on it, so it's part Endler, which is good. So just in case I lose one, I have an extra Endler. I have a couple goals as well in my aquarium, as well as breeding rare fish that you wouldn't find in a pet store. So like basically mollies with yellow heads. So essentially, it's a more, how to put this. Um, Let me hang on. Check it real quick. Give me 1 sec. Just checking the size. So, go down. Yeah. Okay. So, how the heck did that thing get in there? Can't really tell. Just give me 1 sec, guys, and I'll describe it to you. Let's see. Wow, there's a lot going on in here. Um, see if I still have one so I can explain it to you guys. I think I do. Is that one? No. So, is my thing still recording? I think so. Just give me 1 sec, guys. I'm checking on something. I think, is that one? I can't tell. I'm 99% sure that is one. I'm just trying to confirm. It's hard to see. Getting the light, dude. Yep, that's definitely one. That's 100%. Yeah, that's 21. So, what happened was the Molly's had a strain going from, I don't know if you guys can hear me now, close to the mic. So yeah, I have one or two in there. It's really hard to tell because they're still a little tiny. But the Mollies had one or two babies that were full black, right? So what happened was they were breeding black and yellow, and then due to the genetic pool of everything, they started breeding full black Mollies, which is good because half of these are lyre tails, or a good majority of them are, essentially. So, and they were breeding black ones, and it switched over. No, they were breeding both yellow and black, and then it started getting a strain with a yellow head. So, which means like it's a dull yellow now, but it's like a yellow head with like a black body. So picture a speckled yellow head on this. So this whole head in front of the gill plate here is yellow and black. Like a dull yellow and black, and the rest of the body is full black. So that's an interesting strain that came out from the babies, and I can breed that into my fish as well. Although I may get all black ones, there is a chance that I can get yellow ones as well. So as far as I know now, I created two-ish new strains of guppies. No, one strain of guppy that could be new. I'm not sure essentially what the strain is, but I definitely know that the black ones have a lyre tail gene in them, which is this thing right here, and they are essentially, I would call them gold dust mollies, but somebody took a gold dust molly and genetically changed them, or took the lyre tail gene and bred it to look like this. And ever since I've gone back to the pet store, I never really found one like these. And they used to be all yellow, so they're mostly all yellow, and they have the black and yellow ones. These look like they were homebred, so I'm trying to keep this strain alive as much as I can, and then give it back to the pet store as well, like this other home breeder did. Once I create a strain, maybe for a couple bucks or something like that. Don't know if I can keep this strain alive, but I'm definitely trying. This can lead to a very high price if you get a good strain. So if I was to breed this with a Dalmatian Molly, and the Dalmatian Mollies had yellow heads, that would be an interesting strain and a rare-ish strain. And it depends on the local pet store that owns them, or that decides if they want to give you the if they want to pay you for your quality of fish, which is debatable. My local pet store did say they may or may not pay for fish that I create. So also they did give me free plants. So, I have to get back some way. And I think I've done that with goldfish before and stuff like that. So, if I want to create a strain, make a little extra money off of it. Because it's fun too, Like, you have so many different guppies in here. Like, I breed more guppies than I do Mollies. So yeah. So the Mollies are doing good. They're breeding. Told you about those. New strain. The Guppies have a new strain as well. I still have that orange and gray one. That you guys seen in some of my videos. I believe I don't have too many black ones. I think I have one black one now. It's a baby Molly. I'm trying to create an all black guppy too, but that's hard to do with female guppies in the tank. But it is getting better. I've seen some. I think I have one in there that's mostly black. All the catfish are still alive. I got 2 blue spotted catfish and 2 salt and pepper catfish, I think. And they're doing great. I think I still have the blue phantom, not the blue phantom, the vampire shrimp in my tank. Hopefully still have him. He likes to hide in a volcano that I have, so I just let him be. Sometimes I see his little feelers and stuff. I have 3 Amanos as well in my tank, and I also have a couple of cherry shrimp. Unfortunately, my Siamese algae eater is eating most of them. I tried to save one Riley shrimp from Petco that were online. That's a really good strain, so I've been occasionally trying to breed him with another female. Unfortunately, that's not working out too well. Either the female dies, or they eat each other, or they die off, or something happens. So I haven't had any really luck. May or may not buy guppies shrimp from Petco unless they're monos, because the Siamese algae is just gonna eat them. So what else do I have going on here? Oh, I got an Amazon sword too. And Java Fern's growing crazy. I have so much Java Fern right now, but unfortunately it's so small. So basically all my plants, besides a couple of them, are floating. I still got my Neorite snail. My rabbit snails are doing amazing. They're all still alive. Nubius is all still alive. I guess the Nubius gigantea as well, and I'm helping my girlfriend's sister-in-law with some cactuses she dropped. So I'm trying to replant them and trying to regrow the roots on them. So she doesn't have to. She said they were doing better, but one of them just lost its leaves today. So also I have a new leaf strain of what is that, snake plant, and all my cactuses are doing well. I lost a couple of them in the terrarium I made, which was the grass ones, I believe, and the carry I lost. So, but the other 2 are still alive. They're still sort of kicking. One of them has lost some of its leaves on it, but that's because they were bumped into. But one of them is doing really good. The peace lily is doing amazing. The aeroplan's doing amazing as well. And I'm still trying to get out videos for you guys. So that's what's going on with my fish tank. Hope you guys like these videos, because they're a lot easier to make than filming a video, then transferring it to Google Drive, then transferring it to YouTube. So these are a lot easier because I can just upload it to YouTube directly instead of transferring it to Google Drive, then transferring it to whatever, and then if it labels it as an HEIC video, or a video that cannot be played, hence I will show you, or you guys probably know, if you click on a video that's not the quality that the current Windows Movie Maker or something can distinguish, it labels it as an HIC video. you hit close and then you hit no or something, and then it just plays the sound. So I'm re-editing the videos and I can create them 4K again, but most of them are going to be 100 AP just because it's free. You know, why pay like $1 or two to upgrade my thing if I don't need to? A lot of you guys have been doing very well with the air show videos that I have posted so far. So although I do plan to upload or make them 4K eventually, it's just I don't really have the time or money to like actually um just for that like update when I can just like easily do it from a converter or something if need be. But you know, I think the more current version is better so I can play it, and I'm trying to fill with a couple other videos as well that are showing up. The view thing is tiny, so like the picture thing is like really tiny, but other than that, everything is doing good. And yeah, just keep uploading these videos for you guys, and I still have a lot of content to post. I just saw somebody liked the Jurassic World post I made on YouTube, so I will definitely be creating those as well. I found actually one that is worthy of updating, so I will definitely check that out, see where I can get the video, re-edit it, and stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next video. And if you guys want any certain updates on anything, please let me know. I will create those videos for you guys. Ooh, excuse me.